Today I am going to show how to animate the induction furnace tilting. This is the induction furnace for tilting. When the metal will melt, after that it will it has to pour the metal. That is called tilting. So today I will show how to tilt the metal. This is the hydraulic cylinder. It will apply hydraulic force on this cylinder, then it will move this. Suppose if I apply this force in this point, hydraulic force, then it will move this up. Now see, it will move this up until this. You can change this limit automatic sensor. So if you want to this any distance, you can change, and again you will set the main point. It will, when you will apply again this hydraulic force, remove the hydraulic force, at that time it will back in this main point. See, okay, now see, actually it is work at that form system. So now I will apply the force in this cylinder and I will show. I made this step by step and make assembly. If I make everything, it will take more time. That's why just I will show only animation. Okay, let's start. Just go to this and just right click and go to this tab toolbar and go to this motion manager. Just select this motion manager. When we will select this motion manager, we will get this study. Okay, now see, I get this study. Just click on this study, motion study, and just click this and click no, because we will start this new study. Now it has changed this color, so I can change it any color. So I will create new study. Okay, now I will show. Just go to this, just click. There are setting this type of study. There are basic motion analysis. I will select this animation and just go to this motor, click on this motor and choose this rotary motor and select this on this space, and just go to this, select this constant speed, it will be distance. Okay, and choose this distance, I will choose choose this linear motion and choose this distance. I will choose this 600, suppose 600, click enter and choose this 5 second and just click OK. and I can change this time. Suppose I will choose this 12 second. Okay, just minimize this, just this and this. Now I will apply the force. Okay, just click this play from start. Now displaying the force. Okay, I'll show this play. Just click play. Now see, it is working. Yes, and I can check this playback mode. Just play this. Yeah, if you want to change any motion, any position, you can change this any position. Okay, thank you for watching.